Pating Reviews presents VanTop H612T 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Here's a bit more information about this mirror dash cam. First of all, if you want to save an extra $10, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below of this video and click on the coupon code to instantly save $10 when purchasing this dash cam mirror. It's a 4K Ultra HD front recording. Features Ultra HD 4K front cam and 1080p rear cam or 1440p dual cams. 4K makes an incredible difference from other resolutions in capturing details from distance. 8 megapixel Sony STARVIS sensor IMX415 on the front camera enhances night vision efficiently to provide sharp nighttime video. Access to basic functions using the simple voice commands. Voice control paired with dash cam provides maximum convenience, giving the need for hands-free access while driving, offering you a safe, comfortable driving environment. GPS records accurate speed and location data for your dash cam when driving. Check your driving route and speed by replaying the saved videos on the gxplayer provided. Bonus GPS antenna is included in the package. Meet all of your demands for a dash cam. Loop recording, emergency recording, parking monitor, time lapse, and offer you much more than those. Parking assist enables park safely and easily. Voice control allows hands-free driving. GPS provides extra evidence in dispute. 23-foot rear camera cables is designed for most types of cars, such as sedan, SUV, minivan, pickup trucks, etc. 12-inch full touch screen captures more view on the road and brings better visual experience compared with 10-inch screen. Fancy 12-inch HD touchscreen dash and rear view camera kit. Everything about this product is high quality with attention to detail, starting from the packaging to the accessories and quality hardware. VanTop has a similar 10-inch and the 12-inch looks even more of a high-class gadget, which I'm happy with. 1. Most importantly, the cameras are of very high quality for light and dark conditions. Number 2, the interface is intuitive and easy to master. Number 3, the kit goes even further by adding a GPS receiver, a nice touch. What could make it better still? 1. A 500 milliamp built-in battery may last only 10 minutes if not plugged to the power, and I'm not sure how long it lasts if left on battery power alone to monitor parking mode. Number 2, if the 12-volt supplies power even when the car is turned off, you may need to consider shutting this screen completely if the car battery drain issue. Number 3, the image on the screen gets washed out on bright sunny days, and then the rear view cam video might not be easy to see. However, overall, this is an amazing dash cam and I definitely recommend that you get it. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.